If your Vizio TV turns on, you hear sound, but the screen is black, do not throw it away yet. In the next 15 minutes, I will show you how to fix your Vizio TV backlight step by step, using real technician methods that actually work. This video is created using AI support, but every solution you will hear is 100% practical and field tested. If you watch this full video carefully, you will be able to repair your TV yourself at home. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us understand the problem clearly. When a Vizio TV has backlight failure, you usually notice one of these symptoms. The TV powers on. The standby light changes, you hear sound, you can even change channels. But the screen looks black. Sometimes, if you shine a flashlight very close to the screen, you can faintly see the picture. This confirms the backlight is not working. There are 4 main causes of Vizio backlight failure. First, failed LED strips inside the panel. Second, faulty LED driver circuit on the power board. Third, loose backlight cable connection. Fourth, software or power-saving glitch. Let us start with the easiest fixes before opening the TV. First solution, perform a power reset. Unplug the TV from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Keep it unplugged for at least 10 minutes. Now plug it back directly into the wall socket, not a power strip. Turn it on. This resets the power board and sometimes restores the backlight driver. This works especially after voltage fluctuation. Second solution, disable power saving mode. Sometimes Vizio TVs reduce backlight to 0 because of energy saving settings. Turn on the TV. Go to settings, then go to system, then power mode, then select quick start instead of eco mode. Also check brightness settings. Go to settings, then go to picture, then backlight, then increase it to 80 or 100. If the screen lights up, your issue was software related. Third solution, perform a factory reset. If you can see the menu faintly using a flashlight, do this. Go to settings, then go to system, then reset, and admin, then reset TV to factory settings. If the screen is fully black and you cannot see anything, unplug the TV. Hold input and volume down together on the TV buttons. Plug it back in while holding for 10 seconds. On many Vizio models, this triggers a reset. If none of these worked, now we move to hardware diagnosis. Important safety warning. Inside the TV, there are high voltage components. The power board capacitor can hold charge even after unplugging. Always unplug the TV and wait at least 15 minutes before opening. Place the TV face down on a soft blanket, remove all back screws. Keep screws organized because lengths may vary. After removing the back cover, you will see 3 main boards. Power board, main board, T-con board. The backlight system is controlled by the power board. Look for the connector labeled LED plus and LED minus. Now do a simple test. Reconnect the TV to power carefully. Do not touch the board. Turn it on. Using a multimeter set to DC voltage, measure the LED output pins. Most Vizio LED outputs range between 60 volts to 200 volts DC depending on screen size. If you see voltage rising for 1 second then dropping to 0, this usually means the LED strips inside are defective. The driver detects a short or open LED and shuts down. If you see no voltage at all, the power board LED driver section may be bad. Let us handle LED strip failure first. This is the most common issue. To access LED strips, you must remove the LCD panel. This requires patience. Disconnect ribbon cables from the T-con board carefully. Remove the metal frame screws. Lift the LCD panel gently with 2 people if the screen is large. Do not bend it. Under the panel, you will see white diffuser sheets. Remove them carefully and keep them in exact order. Under those sheets, you will see LED strips. Now inspect visually. Look for burnt spots on the strip, dark lens, cracked LED, burn marks. To test properly, use an LED tester tool. This tool sends controlled voltage to test strips safely. Connect it to each strip one by one. If one strip does not light or lights partially, replace the full strip set. Do not replace only one LED. If one failed, others are weak too. Order replacement strips using the exact TV model number and panel number. Panel number is usually printed on a sticker inside the TV. Before installing new strips, clean old thermal adhesive and apply fresh double-sided thermal tape. Proper heat transfer increases lifespan. After installing strips, test them before reassembling everything. Plug in the TV carefully and power on. If all strips light evenly, your repair is successful. Now let us talk about power board LED driver repair. If there is no LED voltage output, inspect the power board. Look for bulged capacitors. Swollen tops indicate failure. Check for burned resistors near the LED driver IC. Sometimes the LED driver MOSFET fails. It may show short circuit between drain and source. If you have soldering experience, you can replace faulty components. However, for beginners, replacing the entire power board is safer and often inexpensive. Search using your TV model number plus the board part number printed on the board itself. When installing new board, reconnect all cables firmly. Loose LED cable connection can also cause no backlight. Now I will share some professional tricks. If the TV flashes the Vizio logo for 1 second then goes black, that is classic LED strip failure. If backlight works only when TV is cold and fails after warming up, that indicates weak LEDs overheating. If half the screen is dark, one LED strip section is dead. If backlight flickers, check for loose LED connector or unstable power board. Another advanced trick. Sometimes the backlight works but brightness is very low. This may be due to PWM dimming control issue. Check the BL on signal from main board to power board. It should read around 3 to 5 volts when TV is on. If BL on is 0, the main board is not enabling backlight. In that case, main board could be faulty. However, main board failure is less common than LED strip failure. Now let me talk about a temporary workaround that many technicians use. If you confirm one LED is shorted and you need emergency repair, you can bridge that single LED using solder. This will bypass it, but this is not permanent. It increases stress on remaining LEDs. Use only as temporary solution. Another important tip. After replacing LED strips, reduce backlight level in settings to extend lifespan. Go to settings, then go to picture, then backlight, then set it to around 60 instead of 100. Also disable vivid mode, use calibrated mode. Voltage fluctuation is a big enemy of LED TVs. Use a good quality voltage stabilizer if you live in an unstable power area. Now let me address common mistakes. Do not touch diffuser sheets with dirty hands. Fingerprints will cause bright spots. Do not mix up diffuser order. The screen will look cloudy. Do not over-tighten panel frame screws. It can cause pressure marks. Do not test LED strips using direct 220 volts AC. Always use proper LED tester. Now let us calculate cost. LED strip set usually costs much less than a new TV. Power board replacement is also affordable. Most backlight repairs cost 20 to 30% of new TV price, so repair is worth it. Before closing the TV completely, always do a full brightness test for at least 10 minutes. Check for uniform lighting, no dark zones, no flicker. If everything looks good, reassemble carefully. Place diffuser sheets in exact order. Place panel gently, secure frame. Reconnect ribbons, close back cover, tighten screws evenly. Power on the TV and enjoy your working screen. Let me summarize quickly. Sound but no picture means backlight issue. Do power reset first, disable eco mode. Factory reset, check LED voltage. Test LED strips, replace full strip set if faulty. Replace power board if no LED output. Reduce backlight after repair to extend life. If you follow these steps patiently, you can fix most Vizio backlight problems at home. Again, this video is created using AI assistance, but every method shared here is practical and technician approved. If you watch carefully and apply step by step, you can solve your issue yourself. If you face any problem during repair, comment below. I will respond within 1 hour to guide you. If this video helped you save money, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more professional repair guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.